70 boots up. Please activate the device by connecting to your cell phone. Check this.
Hey guys, what's up? So we have a very different kind of a product unboxing today on the channel. As you can see, the brand name is 70MAI. Now this is a dash cam for cars from Xiaomi, and this is originally was launched on Indiegogo, where this camera totally gathered a hell lot of attention, and it's known as an entry-level budget camera, but with features which basically will blow you, I think, out of your mind, because it's got voice control on it, and you can basically just you have a wide angle. It has got a Sony sensor as well. So I'm going to just show you how. First of all, let's open this box, and then I'm going to show you some sample footage. Basically comes in a very standard black box with the branding there and that website. Then you get this sticker, which basically helps you to mount it on the car windshield in the front. I will obviously show you how that works as well. You get your instructions. That's the camera. Let me just pull it out. There you go. So it's a pretty neat looking camera. Plastic quality is alright. Here you have the port to charge the dash cam basically. Then you have a reset button inside, and to insert your micro SD card. Now this camera takes up to 64 GB of memory cards. Also, as you can see, it's got that typical action camera sort of a mounting bracket, so you can set the angle that you want and it sits there. Also, it's got only one button function, which basically takes care of almost everything. And then you have an app on Wi-Fi, which I'll show you on your smartphone, from where you can control all things. So let's see what else you get in the box. I'm just going to keep it here. Car cigarette lighter with the USB. You get this really long, I think this is about 11-meter long USB micro to USB A, basically to charge and keep this functioning. Also, when you turn your car off, the camera will keep recording for some time, as to, as an additional safety feature, so in case you're exiting your parking lot or something like that. So that's all you get in the box. And let me show you the app. So you can download it from the Play Store, and you will have to sign up. So we're just going to turn on the camera, and basically right now using the USB cable from the laptop. Take this cover off.
70 boots up. Please activate the device by connecting to your cell phone.
So it's going to start a Wi-Fi hotspot, and I'm going to add it.
Please click the power key to authorize.
Alright. Connected successfully. Okay, so it's showing the functions. One click is to power on, then click to open or close Wi-Fi, click 3 times to format the SD card, 5 times to restore default settings, and press and hold to power off. Pretty simple, one on. Then it says the green stays on, normally recording, blue is not recording, and a red would be an error in recording. When Wi-Fi turns on, the indicator will blink slowly. Alright. Flashing state is the dash cam executes temporary tasks, maybe something like take a picture. So you can see this. You can use your voice commands to take a picture or start recording video. And now it's asking us to adjust the camera angle. We'll basically see how it looks. That's there. You can see me, and you can see Aman behind the camera. Go Riderholic. Alright, so the setup is done. Basically, we're gonna go to the car now and show you how the footage from this looks, as well as use the voice commands. So guys, if you've liked the video so far, make sure you hit that like button. And if you're new to the channel and you appreciate me showing a new product, something like this. Now this camera was sent to me by Banggood, which is a great website for all the gadgets and everything else that you can think about, even if you're into hobbies or RC stuff like that. So check it out. Especially for India now, you can pay using Paytm or UPI, also a lot of other debit cards. So it's pretty much localized, and this camera reached me in about 2 weeks time, which is, I think, pretty decent. It ships from China, and I think I'm pretty impressed with it overall. Obviously we're gonna now take it out and see the footage, but I have the link down below. If you are interested in buying this, I'll show you the price on the screen in Indian rupees, and you can get an additional 10% discount if you download their app. Both the links are down in the video description. So let's go. चलो कार में लेते चलते हैं इसको. सेंटरला लावतात ना, किंवा तिकडे लावतात, आपण इकडे लावूया चालत. नॉट बॅड.
काहीतरी इन्सिडेंट होते कुठे.
So you can get an idea of the field of view. This is 130 degrees, and as I said, it's a Sony sensor recording at 1080p 30 fps, so should be good even for low light settings. And as I said, it's available on Banggood right now, and if you use the link you will get an additional discount as well. Now we're driving right into the sun, but it's all good.
आता ये चला था रे, ये जगह भाई, ये तो नहीं था. ये तो मिल नहीं था, हटा करता.
Kind of nonsense.
इसलिए रिकॉर्डिंग के लिए चाहिए.
I think it's pretty cool. It's nice and small. I wish it was waterproof. We could have put it on the helmet like an action camera.